In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a third-party domain on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into the process step by step. First, you're going to want to head over to Google Sites. If you haven't done so already, open your browser and navigate to sites.google.com. Once you're there, you'll find all your existing sites displayed or have the option to create a new one if you haven't started yet. Next, find the option to manage your website. This usually involves clicking around a bit to highlight your options. It may not be immediately obvious, but aim to locate and click on wherever the custom management functions are displayed on your dashboard. Once you're on the right path, look for the Custom Domains option. This is where Google allows you to attach your own domain to your Google site. Click on that, and you'll be taken to another screen where you can handle your domain settings. Now that you're seeing the Custom Domains section, you'll want to find the Connect Domain button. Clicking this will kick off the process of attaching your own web address to your Google site, giving it a more professional and personalized look. For the next step, you need to type in your domain. This is the address you've purchased from a domain provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another third-party service. Enter your domain carefully, ensuring there are no typos as it should match exactly with what you own. After entering your domain, you'll be prompted to verify your ownership. This step is crucial to ensure you have permission to connect this domain to your site. Google might ask you to confirm your domain ownership via various methods provided by your domain registrar, so follow those instructions. Once verification is in progress, click on Continue when prompted. You're nearly there. This step assures Google that you've understood the need for domain verification and you're moving on to finalize the connection. Following any additional instructions and requirements provided by Google, return to your hosting site or registrar to make any necessary DNS changes. These can include adding specific records like SNAME or TXT files to your domain's DNS settings. Finally, after you've completed all the necessary requirements and changes, head back to the Google Sites verification page and click on Verify. This last step ensures all the DNS updates you made are acknowledged and accepted by Google. And there you have it. Your third-party domain should now be successfully connected to your Google site. With your domain connected, your site is all set for visitors to reach it using the domain that you've customized. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, consider